Hi, in this video we are going to see the laundry software demo from Bigdbiz Solutions, and this is the login page. Once I log in, it navigates me to the dashboard. So here in the dashboard we can see the washing ready and cash balance detail as a shortcut, and along with that we have the option to choose the customer details. Here the customer is nothing but the people who are going to visit our laundry, and these are the customer details. And you can also select the nature of the customer, whether they are housewife or any hotel or worker or student, and what kind of preference they have and type of washing they or already need. So that details can be added here. And next comes the other details like booking details. So once we create a customer, you can start booking the customer details, and before that some master settings are there like product masters. So what kind of products we are having, so what are materials we receive from the customer, like for ironing or pillow or curtains and duets, comforters. At the same time, the clothing of your men, women, that group can be created. At the same time, we can create the items related to that group. For example, so if we can see here the curtains and type of curtains, we can add like cotton curtains or any other curtains. So name, and the another thing is to have is like wash rate, and what is the washing rate for the employee we provide, and iron rate for the employee we provide. So automatically it will be get added along when we select the items. For example, when we get pant for washing, so what is the cost for washing a particular pant? So that costing details can be given here. In case if you want to modify, it can be done in the time of booking. So these are the two main things we have to add when we start doing the booking. And we can say booking screen here. When you click on add booking, you can see what are the category we have created to be listed out here. When we can click on this, and you can see here pants of gents, like 5 pants of gents, and I click, and ladies dress like 15, I click on that. Silk cloth like 10, I add. So now we can see here gents pant, ladies, and silk. Now the rates are being given, and if we want to modify the rates also, we can do that, and we can modify the rates like if it is 5, 15, we can add as much we need. So that automatically gets calculated. It shows the balance details, and whether we want washing also along with that, we can select. Otherwise only ironing it can be done. What kind of washing, whether it's regular or express, and what's the customer ID. So what are the customer ID we provide, it automatically gets saved from that. So if you want to send WhatsApp or SMS, you can note down those details and the narration details also. So when you save it, automatically it will be generated. Now once it is booking is done, we go for the washing section, and we have to select the booking number. So automatically it will be sent to the washing. So washing code we have to provide, and we have to save it. That's all. So once it is done, then we can go for the ready details. So when it is ready, and we have to select the again booking number and which rack you're going to keep it on that. So that can be segmentized. For example, if you want to select both like regular washing, totally we have 4 bookings. So all those 4, if we have multiple things, we are going to rack it on the same rack. So rack number 1. So you can see here all those things like booking number 2, 5, and 7. These 3 bookings will, because it has been segmentized, so this 3 bookings will be kept on the rack 1. Automatically to be saved. So we want to select only one booking number. You can select only one booking number. That booking number alone will be kept on rack 1, and that way we can segmentize. So this is ready, and next one is for the delivery. So same thing, we have to enter the booking number. So when we select on the booking number, automatically it will show you the customer details and other things. So when I click on 6, so automatically the customer name details and what shirt or what things we have done, it will come. For example, if you have in damaged quantity, by the time of delivering, if you have in damaged quantity, you can reduce the one damage, so that you can even if you want refund, you can do. It is also available. So you can see here it is done, and we are going to reduce the cost. Automatic cost will be reduced. Otherwise this damaged quantity can be done which is not undone quantity, so reduce the cost. And the next thing, we have completed all these things, all like booking, washing, ready, delivery, and you can send messages to the customer who are not come to the pickup. so that customers can be reminded, like regular washing. So many customers are there where if you want to give them reminder for alone booking number 13 and 16, so you can select them and you can save automatically. It will be sent as a message when you purchase SMS package. And after that you have the option to purchase the raw materials. So purchasing of raw materials is possible, and you can select the supplier name and you can select the category. So as I told you, if it is softener or anything, you can do it, or whatever things you have created, it will be listed out here. So chemicals and what kind of products you want, you can do that. So next thing is the cash payment. So if you are making any expenses, that payment details can be added here. And next comes supplier payment. So if you want going to give them supplier any payments, for example, if a supplier is there and supplier one is there, you have outstanding of 50,000. If you're going to repay them 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, then you can mention it here like 10,000 rupees you have paid on the particular date with the type of narration. What kind of narration you can give, and whether it's given as a cash or card, you can mention it. At the same time, you have the employee salary option, receipt option, other details. And these are all the reports like booking reports, washing report, unvisited customers. So for example, if you have a customer who has not visited your shop for a while, you can segmentize those customers, you can retarget the customers also. You have account details, contacts, sales, all kind of reporting options also available. So this is simple and quick laundry management system software. So for you, if you want to have a demo or free trial, contact us by 9123515998. Thank you for watching this video, and you're always welcome to have a demo. Thank you.